Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. This is a very special episode of Mixology Mondays. Mixology Mondays is where I show you guys how to make signature cocktails to wow your friends and family at home. And so with the end of House of the Dragon Season 2 coming up, I want to show you guys how to make a House of the Dragon themed cocktail called Rhaenyra's Revenge, featuring Crown Royal Black, paying homage to #TheBlacks. Let me know in the comments which team you guys are on. Are you guys team black or are you guys team green? Either way, can't wait to show you guys this cocktail. Up next on This Is How I Cook, Mixology Mondays. So before we get too far into the video, do me a favor guys, hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications. It really does help my growing channel. So the centerpiece of this cocktail is Crown Royal Black. Obviously, right? Because we're team black on this video. And what this is going to do is going to give us a nice whiskey to build our cocktail from. We're also going to build the cocktail in this glass instead of in a shaker, because we're not going to shake this cocktail, we're going to stir this cocktail. So we've got our glass here, let's put some ice in there, and then let's get our Crown Royal Black inside. We've added our ice to our glass, and now we're going to add 2 ounces of Crown Royal Black. Because Rhaenyra is out for blood, because they took her throne, we're gonna add in some blood orange bitters. You can use whatever citrus you want in there. You can use oranges, you can use blood orange juice, but I just so happen to have some blood orange bitters, so we're gonna add those into the cocktail. So I'm only gonna put in about 1/4 ounce of these bitters. So keeping with our theme for Team Blacks, we're gonna come in here with some black currant liqueur. This is Creme de Cassis. So if you don't have black currant liqueur or you don't see that on the shelf, look for Creme de Cassis. But we're gonna put in about 1/2 ounce of Creme de Cassis or black currant liqueur into our cocktail called Rhaenyra's Revenge. Now we want to give our cocktail a stir. And we're stirring the cocktail to chill the cocktail down, because once again, we're not going to shake the cocktail, we just want to stir the cocktail. So how do you know when to stir a cocktail versus when to shake a cocktail? Well, my general rule is that if I'm using fruit juice in the cocktail, I shake the cocktail in a shaker. If I'm just using spirits and liqueurs only, then I stir the cocktail, because I want to preserve the flavor of those liqueurs and the spirit that's in the cocktail. I do want a little bit of water from the ice as it dilutes the cocktail, but I don't want as much water in this cocktail as I would if I used fruit juice. So into our glass, we're going to strain this cocktail. So we're going to use our cocktail smoker to impart some smoke flavor into this cocktail. And so we want to incorporate the theme of House of the Dragon. And one of the things that happens all the time is that things get set on fire by the dragons. So we're going to set this cocktail, quote unquote, on fire. So we're going to load up our cocktail smoker with some oak wood chips. So using our lighter, repeat after me, Dracarys. We're going to close up our smoker, and we're going to allow our cocktail as much time as you want to infuse with smoke. So me, I like a few seconds of infusing of the smoke. So right now, maybe count to 10, 1, 2, and then once you have reached the desired amount of smoke, remove the smoker and blow the smoke away. Finally, let's put in some fresh ice. I've got some clear ice that I made at home. I'm gonna add this into my cocktail. The last thing we want to do is garnish this with some cherries to represent Queen Rhaenyra's enemy's head on a spike. And there you have it, Rhaenyra's Revenge, made with Crown Royal Black. Okay guys, here's the taste test, the hardest part of making these videos. This is Rhaenyra's Revenge, made with Crown Royal Black. Shout out to Team Blacks. And Creme de Cassis with a touch of blood orange bitters. Cheers. Man, okay, so this cocktail is very smooth. It's properly diluted. You don't get burned from the whiskey, even though Crown Royal is very smooth. You've also got this beautiful set of raisin notes from the Creme de Cassis. Also, you get a nice little bit of citrus note at the end from the blood orange bitters. Obviously, that smoke we imparted is giving me a nice perfume as I sniff the cocktail, and a subtle hint of oak as I taste the cocktail. And this cocktail ice that I put in here that I make, beautiful clear ice, really elevates the cocktail to something special in your home bar. Guys, I hope you guys celebrate the end of the season of House of the Dragon with me. And let me know in the comments, are you team blacks? Are you team greens? But either way, let me know if you made this cocktail too. Hey, and what could have I done different? What would you have done different? Let me know in the comments. Once again, guys, I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. This has been Mixology Mondays, and I'm gonna finish up this cocktail because every time it's good. Y'all take care.